Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Steve, and today I've got an unboxing for you. I'm unboxing two different watches on complete opposite ends of the watch spectrum. One luxury, one affordable. So let me start off with the affordable one. I got a Swatch, not the Moon Swatch. I got a Swatch that was released a few weeks ago. There it is. You'll see which one it is in a moment here. So I got that one. I thought it was just the coolest release. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, down below, there's a link, you'll know which watch I got. The other one I've been looking for over a year now. It is a Breitling. Now, when it comes to buying a watch from eBay, sometimes they'll send you a 10% off coupon, and I did get that coupon, and I did use it for this purchase. That's why I pulled the trigger on it. And it's hard to pass up. 10% off a luxury watch, definitely. I'm going to take that pretty much all the time, especially one for this price. Also, I had the watch authenticated, which, hey, if you're going to toss that in for free, you might as well. I love the authentication process. It only takes maybe an extra day of shipping, but it's very quick, peace of mind. They give you a little card and everything like that. I had my Omega Seamaster authenticated, and same process went with this Breitling. So super excited to unbox both of these. Excited to get them on the wrist. The only issue, which we'll see later on, I'm not sure if the Breitling fits. That's the only downside. I don't know if the guy missed a link or something like that, but he says it fits up to a 7.4 inch wrist, and he himself has a 7.5 inch wrist. So I'm not sure if Breitling just made a smaller bracelet back in the day, early 2000s, late 90s, or the link was misplaced, this, that, and the other. So I will probably end up having to buy another link, which kind of sucks, but I digress. Anyways, let me go ahead, flip that camera, and then we'll get this unboxing started. All right, now that we flipped that camera, let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing here. But first, wristwatch check. I am wearing the Ianos Mihanikos. This thing is an absolute stunner. I love this thing. It's a tank for the wrist for sure, but absolutely love it. Legible. Love the story behind it. Love the brand, but I digress. This is not a review for this watch. Review is coming in the future. All right, I've got two watches here. Let me go ahead and unbox the Swatch. As you can tell by the packaging, it's not a Moon Swatch. And if you've been following my Instagram, you know what watch this is because I posted about it. Also, it's in the background of my headshot camera angle. So if you know anything about me, you'll know exactly what Swatch this is. Let's go ahead and get this started here. Oh, yes. This is the Swatch Dragon Ball Z collaboration. Oh man, we got the Saiyan symbol on the back, Vegeta on the front. This is Vegeta with the tail, so this is the bad version of Vegeta, the evil version. Yeah, we got the Toei Animation logo there. So let's pop this way. Ooh. Oh yes. This is a piece of plastic there. Let's go ahead and pull that. Oh yes. The rubber feels pretty good on this. Nice and soft. Ooh, check that out. I don't know if you can see that, but on the top of the crystal is like the scanner information. So if you haven't watched Dragon Ball Z, Vegeta comes from outer space. He scans Goku with his the scanner attached to his head. And if you can see right there, like the scanner is like printed on the crystal itself, and then Goku is actually on the dial. Very cool 3D effect going on. And this is his armor, Vegeta's armor, that is. We have Vegeta there. We have the Saiyan symbol right there. A buckle with the Swatch branding at the top. And we flip it over, and I'm not sure what this is. I can't remember what that is. Dragon Ball Z there. This is Vegeta when he goes into his alternative form. It's a great ape form. Battery hatch there. So all I gotta do is put a coin in there and change out the battery. Man, this is pretty nice. This is pretty cool. I'm liking this. Let me go ahead and pop this on. It's crazy going from a, Swiss watch that has mechanical movement to something that cost $100 and still get the same enjoyment out of it. So I don't know if you can see this here. We have Swatch at the bottom there, the reticle, and yeah, what is this? Okay, that's just nothing. All right, anyways, let's go ahead and put this on. This is a 41 millimeter. They released a few different watches in this Dragon Ball collaboration, and the Goku watch, I think the Goku and the Cell watch were 46 millimeters, something a lot bigger. But anyways, I digress. Oh man, that looks nice. I have a 7.5-inch wrist for reference. That is nice and clean. Ooh. Yes, please. I'll take that all day. There is no seconds hand, so I'm not sure if it's working. But that's neither here nor there. I assume it's working since it is a brand new watch. But that looks nice. I like that. This is a pretty fun little summer watch. I like that a lot. Wow. So yeah, I decided to go with this watch instead of the Goku. Plus Vegeta is my favorite character in the entire series. Now it's time for the Breitling. I bought this watch. I've been looking for this watch for the longest time. It took me about a year, a little over a year, to find a watch in this condition in the price range I wanted to spend. eBay, a good thing about eBay is that they periodically throw out a 10% coupon here or there, so it is worth it to wait for those coupons if you want to risk it. I did, and yeah, so I got this for 10% off, already a great price. So let's go ahead and peel off this security tab. So this was authenticated. Whoop. This was authenticated. Authenticity guarantee right there, you can see. All right, so if you haven't bought from eBay and you do get their authenticity guarantee, it's going to come in a similar package to this. It comes with a card, and I think the card has, let me see. Yeah, has the Breitling brand here. It says the brand, the model, the reference number, movement type, case material, things of that nature. I'm covering the serial number. The date it was authenticated. So that's good to even have all this information on the side. Congratulations on your new purchase. Okay, great. Okay, that's nothing. And then we have the box itself. It is a nice little, what is this, velvet? I want to be draped in velvet. Name that show. All right, here we go. Super excited. Now, it doesn't come with, this watch didn't come with the original box or papers, so this is the type of box that it's going to come in. Oh, it's an eBay box. So eBay must have put it in here after they get done authenticating it, and there it is. Wow. This is the Super Quartz model. As you can see, it says chronometer right there at the bottom. Yes, they do make chronometer grade quartz movements. This one is accurate to plus or minus 15 seconds a year, so very accurate. It's thermal compensated, all sorts of things like that, but I digress. So, like I said, if you haven't ordered from eBay before, when they authenticate it, they put this little strap on there, and once you take that off, there are no returns. But it looks to be the correct watch and in pretty decent shape. I am going to send this to Breitling eventually because I want to get it refinished and have all the, have it serviced, have all the gaskets changed out, everything like that. But man, this is nice. Let me go ahead and show you the case back of this watch because I think that's like the coolest part of this watch. It is so nice. I'd never thought a case back would win me over, but that right there is beautiful and it serves a function. The alarm actually emits a stronger sound because the case back is designed like this. All those propellers are actually soldered on individually, which is pretty cool as well. But I digress. A very cool looking watch. Now, the only thing I'm worried about is I don't know if there's enough links here for my wrist to actually fit it on. So that was one thing I was kind of worried about. I don't think it's going to fit. Let's see. I don't think it's going to fit. I think it's going to be slightly, yeah, it's just slightly too small. Yeah, this thing is going to look very nice after I get another link in there where I can wear it comfortably. That's the only downside is I having that link, just one link too short. But yeah, I love Breitling. I love the way Breitling actually does a lot of their branding on their watches. Breitling here, you've got the Breitling on the keeper there, Breitling on the case back. Everywhere you look, there is a Breitling logo or a Breitling name. That's one thing I absolutely love about the brand, is that they're not afraid to just put it out there, just put their name out there, anything like that. The crystal looks nice, the dial looks nice. I have to see if I take off the link here, the end link, it should say what year this was produced, but I'm not going to do that right now. So yeah, here is the B1. I'm excited to get this on the wrist, excited to review this. Like I said, I've been waiting for this watch for the longest time, and yeah, it's finally here. I am definitely going to get this serviced, completely serviced, because I want to make sure that it's 100% A-OK. Got to check out how much that's going to cost and how long that's going to take. That's the only thing. I don't want to be without this watch for, you know, another 10 weeks or so. All right, so that's the video. Let me go ahead and bring in the swatch here. Look at that 1-2 punch right there. That looks great. Casual watch, a nice luxury watch. Whew. Nothing better. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and leave it there. If you like this video, if you like the watches, please go ahead, leave a like down below, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, do all those types of things, hit the bell icon, blah, 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 all of those YouTube algorithm things. And yeah, be on the lookout for a review on both of these watches and a review on the Mihanikos. That's coming, as well as the review on my Omega Seamaster. I have to review so many watches. I apologize for taking forever. Yeah, just follow me everywhere that you can. I really do appreciate it, and it's going to help the channel in the future. So, all right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.